Welcome to Habis TV. You are watching National News. I am Shashi Rai. The Crown Prince of Dubai, Sheikh Ahmed bin Mahmoud Al Maktoum, reached India today for his two-day visit. During his visit, he will meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi and also hold talks with External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar and Defence Minister Rajnath Singh. The visit comes at the invitation of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, according to an official release from the Ministry of External Affairs. Key moment of the visit will be working launch hosted by Prime Minister Modi on April 8. The two leaders will discuss many topics, including trade, energy, digital ties, and cultural exchange. They are also expected to look at new ways to increase investment, especially through the CEPA deal, which has already helped trade grow a lot. Amid the threat of a 26% reciprocal tariff imposed on India by the Donald Trump External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar held key discussions with U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio on Monday. Jaishankar said through X, "Good to speak with Secretary Rubio today. We exchanged views on the Indo-Pacific, the Indian subcontinent, Europe, Middle East, West Asia, and the Caribbean. Agreed on the importance of the early conclusion of the bilateral trade agreement. Look forward to staying in touch." The US said Secretary of State Marco Rubio spoke with Indian External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar about key issues including reciprocal tariffs and building a fair trade partnership. They also discussed strengthening ties in the Indo-Pacific region. Union Commerce and Industry Ministry Piyush Goyal said India doesn't get fair prices from China and accused it of unfair trade and dumping cheap goods, which hurt Indian manufacturers. He also questioned an MOU signed by Rahul Gandhi with China's Communist Party, saying it led to lower tariffs on Chinese products and made India more dependent on China. Good news for central government employees. The Finance Ministry has changed the rules for uniforms allowance. Earlier it was given only once a year in July, so new employees had to wait a long time. Now from March 24, 2025, the allowance will be given more than once a year based on how long someone has worked. This means new recruits won't have to wait till next year to get it. The Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana completed 10 years today, April 8, 2025. It was started in April 2015 to help small business owners get loans without needing to give anything as security. This scheme gives loan up to 10 lakh rupees to small and micro businesses that are not part of big companies or firms. These loans support many types of work like manufacturing, trading, services, and even small farm related jobs like dairy, poultry, and beekeeping. Thanks for watching. Keep watching Habis TV. Namaskar.